Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making ogbono soup. Firstly, I went ahead to get my protein of choice and seasoned with salt and some seasoning cube. Then I added some ginger powder and Cameroon pepper, mixed it thoroughly, and then covered this to cook. I then went ahead to heat up my palm oil in another pan. Once it's hot, I added my diced onions and left this to fry. I then mix it into the ground ogbono and mix it together. This has to be mixed thoroughly so there'll be no lumps. And then when I see that the protein is boiled, I add some water and go ahead to add some crayfish, mix it together and leave it to boil. And once this boils, I go ahead to add the mixed ogbono that I diluted or I mixed thoroughly before. And when you do this, you mix it carefully, let it thicken and cook together with the meat stock. Once it's cooked, or as it's cooking, you go ahead to add your fish. I used smoked fish and mix carefully because you don't want the fish to break in the soup. Then leave this to cook for about 5 more minutes. And once it's cooked, I adjusted my seasonings. I added some more salt and seasoning cube. Adjust it to your taste, really. You can also add some Cameroon pepper if you want it a bit hot. And then I went ahead to add my blanched vegetables. Mix this and then steam it. The vegetables are already blanched, so you can just turn off. And please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.